What if every email in your inbox got a smart professional reply without you typing a single word? No virtual assistant, no templates, no copy paste, just an AI agent running quietly in the background, handling your inbox, while you do literally anything else. In this video, I am going to show you exactly how to build this from scratch. Free tools, no coding, no technical experience needed. By the end of this video, your agent will be live and working. Here is exactly what we are building today. Someone sends an email, your agent reads it, your agent writes a professional reply, your agent sends it, all of that automatically without you touching anything. The tools we are using are make.com as the automation engine and OpenAI as the AI brain. Both have completely free tiers. You do not need a credit card to get started. The whole setup takes about 30 minutes. After that, it runs on its own every 15 minutes around the clock. First, go to make.com, click Get Started Free, and sign up with your Google account. This takes about 60 seconds. Once you are in, you land on your dashboard. Look at the left sidebar. You will see two things that matter to us today: scenarios and AI agents. We are going to work inside scenarios. Click Scenarios now. Click Create a new scenario in the top right corner. You will land on a blank canvas. Right in the middle of the screen, you will see a large purple plus button. Click it. A module search panel opens up. This is where you pick your first tool. This is where everything starts. In the search bar, type Gmail. Click Gmail from the list. Now you will see a list of Gmail actions. Find Watch Emails and click it. Click Add to connect your Gmail account. A Google permission pop-up will appear. Click Allow. Now set three things inside this module. First, folder. Set it to inbox. Second, criteria. Select unread emails only. This makes sure your agent only processes new emails, not ones you have already read. Third, maximum results. Set this to one email at a time. Clean and easy to manage when you are starting out. Click OK. You will now see a Gmail circle sitting on your canvas. That is your trigger. Step 1 done. Now hover over the Gmail circle on your canvas. You will see a small plus sign appear on the right side of it. Click it. The module search panel opens again. This time type OpenAI. Select OpenAI from the list. You will see a few options. Select simple text prompt. Now connect your OpenAI account by pasting in your API key. If you do not have one yet, go to platform.openai.com, sign up free, go to API keys and create one. Copy it and paste it here. Now the most important part, the text prompt field. This is where you tell the AI exactly how to behave. Click inside the text prompt box and type this instruction. After typing your instructions, look at the right side panel. Scroll down to the Gmail section. Click Full Text Body. It will appear as a data tag at the bottom of your prompt. This is what feeds the actual email content into the AI. Click OK. Click Tools from the list. Select Sleep. In the delay field, type 90. That is 90 seconds of pause before the reply sends. This small step makes your agent feel human instead of robotic. Click OK. Click the plus after the sleep module. Search Gmail again. This time select Send an email. Connect the same Gmail account you used earlier. Now fill in three fields. Field 1, 2, turn the map toggle on. It switches to purple. Then click the Gmail module data on the right panel. Select From Email. This automatically sends the reply back to whoever emailed you. Field 2, Subject. Type : then a space, then click the Gmail data panel and select Subject. This keeps the reply inside the same email thread. Field 3, Body. Change the body type drop down to raw. A content field appears below it. Click inside it, then go to the OpenAI data on the right panel and select Result. That is the AI written reply going into the body of the email. Click Save. Look at your canvas now. You have four modules connected in a straight line: Gmail, Watch, Emails, OpenAI, Simple Text Prompt, Tools, Sleep, Gmail, Send an Email. That is your complete AI email agent. Four modules, 30 minutes. built from scratch. Before we go live, we test it. Open a second email account. Send an email to the Gmail address you connected. Write something like, "Hi, I came across Temi Feeds and I would love to know more about what you do." Now come back to make. At the bottom of your canvas, click the purple Run Once button. Watch your modules light up green one by one. Gmail reads the email. OpenAI writes the reply. Sleep waits 90 seconds. Gmail sends it. Now open your Gmail sent folder. Your agent's reply is there. That is your AI working for you. Now we make it permanent. Look at the bottom of your canvas. You will see a toggle switch. It says off right now. Click it. It turns green. Your agent is now running every 15 minutes. Every unread email that lands in your inbox, read, replied to, sent, without you doing anything. This is what automation actually looks like. You just built your first AI agent from scratch. It reads your emails, it replies professionally, it represents your brand, and it works while you sleep. This is just the beginning. Next video, I am going to show you how to build the content scheduler agent. It researches a topic, writes a LinkedIn post, and publishes it automatically. If you want to see that, subscribe to Temi Feeds right now. The link is below. And if this video helped you, share it with one person who is still manually answering every email. See you in the next one.